Welcome everyone. A little bit of white noise, but this is designed by us, not anybody else. Now, I'm Dr. YAAKOV or Dr. John Falcon Cardona, and
I'm Dr. Olivia Tatara, here to welcome everyone.
And together we're here to let you understand that there's a need in the world, and a lot of you are claiming a religion, a politics, but then you eat all this processed food, and that's your choice. So through a lot of study, especially if you turn around and say you're into metaphysics and religion, and we have doctors, so that's a little different. So we want you to journey and embark with us, and on top of that, where we take ancient teachings in modern times, mix them with doctors, scientists, and everything for you to go. We are now offering a protocol session. Now, the protocol session does not mean that you're going to be fixed instantly. We're going to listen to you. You cannot book online instantly. You're going to have to physically make a call. If you are in need, sick, ill, whatever, we will help you during the call, briefly explain to you what you should be eating, how you can change. Even The Rock, Dwayne Johnson, said you can change 98% of you by your eating and change your habits. Most of you are weak. Now that's okay to be weak, but you need to grow. So whether you're suffering from diabetes, high blood pressure, whatever you're going through, trying to walk, we have beautiful products. Now, our sessions are $37.59. There's a reason for that. That means that you can book with us, but it's a brief session for us to get your info. You have to call in first. Then from there, we'll send it to you. It's first come, first serve. Now, if you want more life coaching and different things to go and get from our Pure Shakti line, we can recommend to you. But it's up to you with your doctor and your physician, because sometimes there's people that are not honest, and that's the way the world is. So if you're sick, now if you're ill and you have no way of paying, that's really not the truth. You buy pizza, you buy something to eat, so you're going to have to make a donation, and then there's going to be other people that will volunteer to help you.
What this is truly is everything within one thing. So yes, continue with your doctor, your primary physician that is helping and aiding only if they're helping and aiding and putting you on a correct path. There are many ways to do something. The protocols are the ways to change your lifestyle, change the diet. Don't label it one thing, and allow yourself to experience your body, your mind, and people in your community, your relationships to the fullest. This goes into everything we believe in intuition as well, but you have to look at from a whole perspective that around you and in families and societies and communities there are diseases and there are poisons and there are toxins. So who is going to rid yourself of this? We have the protocols, we know the way, a way that many people can follow. And if you're interested, we allow these sessions for people to go deeper into themselves with a way that is not just a popular belief. It is, but many people have their own paths that they choose. We know the honest, the truthful, and the direct as well.
And if you are ready, you can't come and say, oh, I need a chakra balancing, I need this. That's what you're desiring, thinking that you are great. We don't listen to that. We got to know, were you a single child? Were your parents together? How was their relationship? What was this? But we'll know it before we talk to you in a way because of your expressions of what you're doing. Sometimes we can even pinpoint the toxic ingredient that's in your body and what's disabling your cells by your stem cells, your mitochondria. If you have puppies and you want to go the natural route, you contact us. We teach. If you're having behavior problems with your mate, your children, we teach. We're going to have free meditations. Our courses are out on Udemy. There's a lot of free stuff.
Everyone is unique, and something that unites is either you're healthy or you're not healthy in many ways. And they say people will experience it at one point in time. However, it has to do with what you like in life and also different things you labeled and becoming one with the nature inside of you. This is why we do say the dogs and the puppies and making peace with all the animals in a household without an emotion and knowing the nature is a reflection of what's happening inside of me. We also have pure Shakti, the essential vitamins and minerals that every single human needs, combined with the energy of what it means to live, to be creative, to go into life in a different way. moremito.com. Check the link in the description below. They have products and different natural remedies, high protocol, to go deep into the cell, the DNA, the mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, so that you're able to live with more vitality, and energy is in everything. It's very important. Whatever you say you are, whatever you say your gift is, or if you're just a regular person trying to be the healthiest person you can be, More Mito is for you, just to enhance whatever it means to live.
Listen to Dr. Dan. Listen to Roger, listen to Dale, see exactly how you can build your mitochondria, join a call, and much more. And all the guests that really solve issues, change lives, and it's also offered for the dogs. So More Mito Puerto Rico, if you want a team that supports you, that will be there, that will help you grow, that will help you get out there, that if you are sick, if you are ill, you can join all sorts of things with us to build. Whether you can walk, you can't walk, whatever it is, we are here. And if you have animal issues, pet issues, behavior issues, whatever it is, join a family that cares about you.
We thank everyone for listening on this line. A lot of topics, but the main thing is union and health, and you finding the peace that's always inside of you. There are many ways to choose. Make the correct decision in life for yourself. I'm Dr. Olivia Tatara.
Dr. YAAKOV.
Take care, everyone.